Hi, and I'm a working professional. So one day I thought to learn Salesforce, and I was googling regarding the Salesforce career growth program, and I got in the listings that the first listings is CRS Info Solutions. And one day I called to CRS Info Solutions and asked about the Salesforce career growth program in the detailed manner. So the way they explained, I liked it, and I said them I wanted to join the demo. So once after attending the demo, I felt that it is the right path for me to join and to gain the knowledge in the Salesforce. So once after completing the demo, I chose that the trainer the way the trainer is explaining was very understandable, and each and every topic they're explaining in a even non-IT and IT background people can easily understand the topics which the trainer has been implementing in the training plan. So yeah, I feel lucky to join as CRS Info Solutions, and also feel more lucky that I'm getting trained under the great mentor. So thank you one and all. I prefer CRS Info Solutions.